Nice in the weights, Vikings. Let's get you 40. Let's go! Tooths, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my trolley. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view without all the chafing. Nest. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop. You know, stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. I'll drive you aside. You really can't take her when you get. Oh, not good.